How do you factor perfect square trinomials with a GCF? Imagine you have a puzzle where you need to find the missing pieces to make everything fit perfectly. That's what factoring perfect square trinomials with a greatest common factor is like. It's a step-by-step process that makes complicated expressions simple. First, look at the polynomial and find the biggest number or variable that divides all the terms evenly. This is called the greatest common factor. Once you identify it, pull it out of the polynomial. For example, if your polynomial is 3 times squared minus 12 times x plus 12, the GCF is 3. So you rewrite it as 3 times the remaining expression inside parentheses. Next, focus on the inside part. Check if it's a perfect square trinomial. To do this, look at the first and last terms. Are they perfect squares? For example, x squared is a perfect square, and 4 is a perfect square because 4 is 2 squared. Then, check the middle term. It should be twice the product of the square roots of the first and last terms. For example, 2 times x times 2 equals 4, matching the middle term. If all these conditions are met, you can write the inside as a binomial squared. For example, x squared minus 4x plus 4 becomes x minus 2 all squared. Finally, multiply the GCF you pulled out earlier back outside the squared binomial. So, the original polynomial 3x squared minus 12x plus 12 becomes 3 times x minus 2 all squared. This method helps you see the structure of the polynomial clearly. It makes factoring easier and more organized. Remember, always start by finding the GCF, then check if the remaining trinomial is a perfect square. If it is, write it as a binomial squared and multiply back the GCF. This process works for any polynomial with variables and constants, turning a tricky expression into a simple factored form. It's a handy skill in algebra that helps you solve equations and simplify expressions quickly and confidently.